Hello, today we will guide you through how to install WARP Cloudflare. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. This is the quickest way to find the official Cloudflare download page, especially if you are not sure of the exact website address. Once Google loads, click into the search bar and type in Cloudflare WARP download. Then run the search. When the results appear, look for the option labeled Download Cloudflare 1, Client Stable Releases. This is the page that provides the official installer for WARP, so it is important to choose the correct result rather than downloading from an unofficial source. Click that result to continue. You will now be taken to the Cloudflare download page. On this page, find the button or link for Download Latest Stable Release and click it. This will start downloading the installer file for the latest version available. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically to your default downloads folder, or you may be asked where you want to save it. After the download finishes, open the downloaded installer. In many cases, you can do this by clicking the file directly from your browser's download bar or downloads list. If you do not see it there, you can also open your downloads folder and launch it from there. Make sure you are opening the installer you just downloaded from the official Cloudflare page. Once the installer opens, click Install and then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the installation. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on your operating system, but the process is usually straightforward. You may be asked to confirm that you want to allow the installer to make changes to your device. If that happens, approve the prompt so the installation can continue. As the installer runs, give it a moment to copy the necessary files and finish setting everything up. It is best not to close the installer window until the process is complete. If your computer is slower or has security software running, installation may take a little longer, so a brief wait is normal. After the installation finishes, WARP Cloudflare should be installed and ready for the next stage of setup or use. If needed, you can check your applications list or desktop shortcuts to confirm it was installed successfully. That's it for this guide. You've now downloaded the official installer and completed the installation process for WARP Cloudflare.